he said, "Do you have chicken tenders?" And I'm like, "No, I don't have chicken tenders." I go, "But I can make them." "Oh, I want chicken tenders." And then I said, "Okay, I'll make some chicken tenders." And then I told him that he had to look at me making the chicken tenders. So he sees the process, and it's not an easy process. No, not at all. I wonder if Isabella will want some. Maybe she will want some.
No, she would not.
I could ask her.
No, she
She
would
might.
not.
So then I told him, "Look at the process, son. It's not as easy as just saying, oh, can I have this? Can I have that?" It's a whole process. Especially when you do them by scratch, when they taste the best. Okay, so I just thawed them because they were frozen. And since I thawed them, it heated them up and it made the edges kind of fun and looking. So we're just going to cut that off. It's not going to taste bad. It's just going to taste better without it. I think at least. Usually I don't thaw them in the microwave because I don't like it. I think that is just not the ideal way to thaw them. Alright, so now that I have somewhat acceptably cut off the parts that were white on that one, let's move on to the other one. So I poked my finger while I was cutting the grass and it bled, and now it hurts a lot, which is why I have to fold it up. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so very sorry. Oh yeah, this one has it more. I'm gonna have to cut all that chunk off. So, in the comments below, tell me, do you want me to ask Isabella if she wants some? I might should go live since I can't read the comments right now clearly because it's not live. Whatever. I wonder if we should ask Isabella. What do you think, everybody? Should we ask Isabella? Alright. Let's ask her. Isabella! Isabella! See, it is a process. Children that are silly don't understand. First is the chicken yolk. The chicken yolk. The egg yolk, which eggs do come from chicken. Interesting. The chicken, which was an adult chicken, is being bathed in what would be baby chicks. Chickens come from eggs. I had never thought of that. Oh my gosh. Illuminati. But anyway. Yeah. So clearly, let's ask Isabella. Isabella, darling. Isabella, darling. I wonder if she's in the bathroom. She tends to go to the bathroom a lot. She probably won't like it that I said that because maybe some of her friends secretly follow me because people use it screen names. It's like, why are you so embarrassed? What are you so scared about that you hide your identity? If you were so brave trying to be tough on social media, clearly there's something wrong with you if you're not brave and tough in person. Whatever, that's none of my business. Alright, so after we bathe the nude chicken breast, because we have taken off all of that white spots and all of the skin and all of the bone. So once we bathe the nude chicken in the egg, it's single egg that you kind of whisk so it mixes the yolk with the white part. Oops. See? This is the nude chicken. See the nude chicken? And you bathe it in the whisked single chicken. Once it is whisked, once it is bathed, you kind of drain the excess so doesn't get stuck to the edge of the plate, and you toss it in the breadcrumbs. You cover the chicken up and you pat it down. You pat it down so it thoroughly covers the chicken. Oh, hi, Isabella. We were wondering, our public, because I'm live, I'm streaming live. I asked them if they wanted me to ask you if you wanted some chicken.
Tenders.
Everybody said yes. So do you want any?
No.
What are you gonna eat?
Cookout.
You're not getting cookout.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Well, clearly, Isabella's gonna be hungry. I know some of your friends follow me.
He's just gonna spot me.
I know.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I know some of your friends follow me, but they use ghost screen names. I know
No,
you do.
yes, Mimi.
I see you, ghost. I see you, lurker.
Stop it.
I know they follow me. And I think I know who,
You
but I'm not gonna say it.
you
Lurker.
You guys are just recording
So
a
we're only
video.
gonna do two
You guys
of
aren't
them.
going live.
She thinks I'm not going live.
You aren't.
Quiet. If you're not gonna participate in my channel called Most Awesome Mom 124, please see yourself out of my kitchen. See yourself out of my chicken. I mean,
1, 2,
kitchen.
4. 1, 2, 4. You gotta add the 1, 2, 4.
The door frame is right there, sweetheart. See yourself out of here. If you're gonna be a hater, lurker. Yeah, you're a lurker. Oh, whatever. You can't see me, but hey, lurker, I'm washing my hands. Hey, lurker. I mean, hey, everybody. But I know your friends follow me, Isabella. Anyways, well, now that we have
What are you guys
thoroughly,
streaming on? That's so good. What are you guys streaming
we
on?
have thoroughly quiet.
guys!
No, quiet. We will talk later. It's time for my channel. Anyways, so we have thoroughly wrapped the chicken breast in the breadcrumbs. We seasoned it with some salt and some pepper.
Oh, that smells so good.
Up to anybody's, liking. Once it has been thoroughly wrapped in the breadcrumbs that use the
Ooh, that smells so good.
the egg as an adhesive, we are going to move.
Oh, that smells so good.
Does it, sweetie? I'm so glad. We are gonna move towards
I can't take it.
preparing it.
I can't take it. It smells so good.
What can't you type? Where is the? Well, there it is.
Oh, that smells so good. I can't take it.
Okay, we have found a pot. Oh, perfect. It already has oil in it. But if it not had oil, preferably get yourself a deep pot. It's
Oh, that
easier.
smells so good. It smells so good.
It is easier that way. So if it
Doesn't
does,
it smell so good?
if it does kind of bounce because of the moisture that's coming out of the chicken, if it bounces out of the pan, that way it will not. It will be better contained. It will be better contained that way. All right, everybody. So we are going to put if my stove worked, but whatever.
Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh,
Okay.
I'm the
You
best.
put
I'm
it
the
on
best.
high.
Ah.
Listen, my audience wants to hear me. Awesome Mom 124. Please stop. All right. So we have put the oil in the pot. I prefer to use a Teflon pot because it's less likely for whatever piece of food I'm gonna fry or cook is gonna get stuck to the edges of it. I prefer Teflon, which is what I'm using right now, and I put about a fifth or a sixth of the way
I'm a trillionaire.
of oil. It has to heat up tremendously.
I'm a trillionaire.
I would prefer to do this.
Trillionaire.
I
Trillionaire.
need a new stove, guys. I really do.
Trillionaire.
Donations are accepted. Okay? Not Samsung. Please, not Samsung. Whirlpool or Maytag or any of the actual good kitchen brands. Not Samsung. Samsung, Not good. Hashtag don't buy Samsung kitchen appliances.
Would you guys like to see my awards? Shut up.
Anywho, this handle, I had to glue it back onto the microwave top. My fancy smancy expensive fridge stopped making ice like a year into having it.
No,
My stove,
it still
I don't
makes
even
ice.
know where to
It
start.
still makes ice.
I don't know where to start with my stove. The Samsung lettering came off, so it's a name brand stove, but you wouldn't be able to tell because the name peeled off. The stove top has already been replaced because it cracked. My heating sections, pans, grills, they're either completely on high or completely off. There's no adjustment. So don't buy Samsung, everybody. Listen to me. They're expensive and they're not well made. They're like disposable because they think that whoever buys Samsung appliances have a lot of money. And since they have a lot of money, they can easily replace their appliances. Well, no, I ain't got a lot of money. But whatever. Don't do Samsung. Do an actual kitchen brand that has been...
We do have a lot of money.
That has been, you know, famously established. Because clearly Samsung...
Oh, yeah.
Dedicate yourself to cell phone Samsung, and even then they explode. So don't consider yourself all that great, but whatever.
You got roasted, Samsung.
I would really like to have a gas stove, but I don't have connection for a gas stove. I would really just like to have a whatever. Okay, so as we wait for this oil to decide to heat up, which clearly it is choosing to take longer, but whatever.
Flip.
So everybody, hey, Isabella, Chica found her treats.
Oh no.
Okay, you can pause it. Bye everybody, see you tomorrow. Don't buy Samsung.
Oh, man, don't buy Samsung.